Hi guys, it's me PNM Poonam. Welcome to my new video. Want this? Okay, I have edited the audio for copyright issue. Check description box for the result. So let's start. We're gonna edit the loading screen, so go to ChatGPT and upload the picture I will give you in the description box. I already edited one part, the friends to enemies version, but if you want you can just edit the text like I'm doing here. Write Resident Evil instead of friends to enemies. Then click on the arrow and wait for some time and it will be edited. You can see the picture is done, so you can just download it. Now open your Inshot and add your clips and music. Here you need two clips. One should be 3.3 seconds long and it will be the intro. The second one, the game loading part, should be 7 seconds long. Now we are gonna add the picture in the second part. So go to PIP and click on it and add the picture you just have edited and adjust it. Now click on the overlay and go to blend and click on screen. Now copy the overlay so it will look good or maybe perfect. Now click on the second part and go to filter and adjust it because it should be look like actual game loading screen. So edit the saturation, lightness. I'm doing this second time because I did not get long clips, so I have to add two small clips. Now I think it's look perfect. So now we're gonna work on the intro part. So go to text and add a text like I'm adding here, point of view, turning Taekook into a game loading screen. You can also add the same text, but you just have to edit the name. Here you can add your name instead of Taekook. You can change the font as you like, but it's an intro part, so you can add any kind of font. Now adjust the text and it will be added only in the first intro part, the 3.3 second part. Now click on effect and go to bits and choose the black and adjust it as I did. Add the effect in the whole video and go to object and click on all, so it will be added in the overlays too. So finally your game loading screen video is done. Like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more new tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.